Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. We are going to analyze the past price actions and also predict the future price action from daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame. And I will be sharing you the support and resistance levels for each time frame. Please use it as a reference for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us check out the news calendar for today. Today is February 2nd, Wednesday. So this part is already completed. At 6 AM, we have the Australian dollar high impact news. Then at 7 o'clock also we have a medium impact news for Australian dollar. Then as we go down at 6:45 Indian time, we have a high impact news for US dollar. ADP National Employment Report is coming out. 8:30 we have a Canadian dollar medium impact news. Then as we come down at 9 o'clock we have two newses for US dollar. So plan your trades according to the news schedule. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we analyze the price action in daily time frame, we already know that current price action is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, which means that there is no direction in the market, and currently the price action is moving on the sideways and consolidating within this symmetric triangle pattern. Only when the price action breaks this symmetric triangle pattern resistance line or support line, we can expect a directional movement in these currency pairs. And within this symmetric triangle pattern also, I have drawn the trend line or the support line over here. You can notice that the price action is going on a bullish side, testing the resistance line, while retracing also, it did not retrace to the symmetric triangle pattern support line. Rather, it retraced up to the level of 1763 and started its bullish trend. So currently when we analyze the price action inside this symmetric triangle pattern, you can notice that it is more bullish rather than bearish, because it did not retrace up to the 100% where it started its bullish trend. Inside this symmetric triangle pattern also, I have drawn a bullish channel pattern. Previously the price action was trading on a bullish channel pattern and tested this resistance level of 1849 and retraced and took support on this trend line or this support level of 1780. Currently it is in a retracement or in a bullish trend. As long as this trend line or the support line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. As we know already from the daily time frame, the price action was trading in a very nice bullish channel pattern and gave breakout from this bullish channel pattern and took support on the trend line from the daily time frame. This is a very strong trend line because this is from the higher time frame. Higher time frame trend line or support levels are more valid and it will be mostly respected by the price action. And when we analyze the current price action in 4 hours time frame, you can notice that it was on a very nice downtrend and it formed a inverse head and shoulder pattern and it is in a bullish trend. I am expecting it to test at the resistance level of 1811 from the higher time frame. Currently it has gone up, retesting on the support level of 1798 and it has started its bullish trend. Currently the price action has moved from this support and resistance level to next level of support and resistance level of 1811 to 1798. We are seeing a bullish trend in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame. Previously the price action had come on a bearish trend, taken support on this trend line from the daily time frame and it is in a bullish retracement. And presently it is taking support on the higher time frame support level of 1798. I am expecting it to continue its bullish trend because you can notice that it has gone up, retracement, again gone up and retracement, again it has gone up and retracement. It is forming a very nice bullish wave formation. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. So currently in hourly time frame, you can notice that I have drawn a trend line over here. The price action has breached this trend line and it has tested the support level of 1801 and it couldn't break this support level and it is on a bounce back or retracement on the bullish side. Only when the price action breaches this trend line or the resistance line, it can start its bullish trend, and then we have the higher time frame resistance level which is around 1812. So currently the price action in hourly time frame is in a bearish trend and this support level of 1800 is holding the price action from going further on the bearish side. As long as this support level is holding, we can expect the bullish trend reversal and continue on the bullish trend. Or else we can expect the price action to go and test this trend line from the daily time frame. Only when the price action breaches this trend line, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. As long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the bounce back from this trend line and bullish trend to continue. Overall, the price action is in a range bound market and within this range, it has gone on a bullish trend and currently it is in a retracement. As long as this resistance level of 1812 is not breached, we can expect the sideways market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, this resistance line from the hourly time frame is actually preventing the price action from going on a bullish side trade. Currently the price action has gone up, tested this resistance level and it is on a retracement to breach this support level of 1800. If the price action doesn't manage to break this support level, we can expect a sideways market to continue, and still we know that the current price action is in a bullish trend from the higher time frame, so we can expect it to test the resistance level of 1812. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a retracement and it is in a bearish trend, and the support level of 1801 and 1798 is acting as a very strong support for the current price action. Only when the price action breaches this trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to start. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. We have the hourly time frame resistance line running over here, and I have drawn the 5 minutes time frame resistance line or the trend line over here. You can notice the price action, it was on a very nice downtrend, took support on the hourly time frame trend line and bounced back and formed a double top pattern. Then a retracement happened and took support on the previous trend lines support line, then went on a bullish trend and it started moving on a sideways and broke this resistance line or the trend line, and currently you can notice that the price action is in a bullish trend. As long as this resistance line from the hourly time frame is not breached, we can expect the sideways market to continue. Overall the price action is in a bullish trend, so we can expect the bullish market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a range bound market. Only when it breaks this previous high, which is going to be around 1801, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Currently the price action is moving in a sideways. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.